In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make customers inactive in QuickBooks Online. This is a straightforward process, but it's important to know how to manage your database efficiently. Sometimes your customer list can become cluttered with entries that are no longer relevant, and by making these customers inactive, you can keep your records tidy and ensure your data is up to date. Let's dive in and go through these steps together. First things first, you'll need to sign in to your QuickBooks Online account. If you're not already logged in, head over to the QuickBooks website and find the Sign In button. Click on that, then you'll be prompted to choose the service you're using. Make sure to select QuickBooks Online to proceed. Once you've selected QuickBooks Online, it's time to enter your credentials. Type in your username and password, then click Continue to access your account. It's crucial to keep your login information secure, so remember to log out when you're done if you're using a shared computer. After you've successfully logged in, navigate to the Customers and Leads tab. This section is where you'll find all the information about your existing customers, as well as any leads you may have. Click on this tab to open up the list of customers. Next, you'll want to click on the Customers section. This part of QuickBooks Online will show you a comprehensive list of every customer currently in your system. It's here that you'll make the changes to a customer's status. Now look for the Action column. Below this, you'll notice a small drop-down arrow for each customer. Click on the drop-down arrow next to the customer you wish to make inactive. This will reveal a list of actions you can take for that specific customer. From the list of options, you'll see Make Inactive. Click on Make Inactive to initiate the process of changing the customer's status. At this point, QuickBooks will ask for your confirmation to ensure you really want to make this change. To confirm your action, a pop-up will appear asking if you're sure that you want to make the customer inactive. Click on Yes, Make Inactive to finalize your decision. Doing so will update the customer's status and remove them from your active customer list, though they won't be permanently deleted from your records. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to tidy up your QuickBooks customer list by making a customer inactive. Remember, this doesn't delete any customer data, so if you need to restore a customer, you can do so by navigating to the inactive customer list. This process is a great way to keep your records manageable and your business data organized. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other videos for more QuickBooks tips and tutorials.